Okay guys, I'm back with yet another video. This video is going to be about my 2-month lock update. Yes guys, I look a bit rough. It be like that sometimes. This is it at its dry state, fresh out of my bonnet. So I went ahead and washed my hair. And for this I need water, clips, the mango and lime locking gel, some ponytail holders, a clip, and that's about it. I do love my hair at a wet state. It is very curly, very curly. For my parts, I don't use a comb at all. This shit feels amazing, by the way. Smells amazing, my bad. But I don't use a comb for my parts. Everything is literally just me pulling stuff apart. I basically just take a little bit of the mango and lime gel and slap it on there, do a palm twist, and then I clip it. Nothing spectacular. I did start off my dreads with 2-strand twists, but I felt like they were too big, so I ended up separating each 2-strand twist that I had and doing this method of the palm rolling, and that's how I ended up with so many of these little random dreads. No part is perfect, no part is the same. Still trying to get these bad boys to lock, but you know, it's a process. We'll get there eventually. And I literally do this step all the way across my head. I literally watched 4 movies during this entire process. I'm finally, after about 4 hours, no longer than that, maybe about 6 hours, down to my last 4 locks. Y'all don't know how amazing that felt to finally see the top of my head. That is my happy dance. I was so excited to be this last dread. So excited. It had to be like 3 a.m. by then. This is what I'm looking like, guys. And yes, I did not have my dryer, so I used my space heater to try and speed this process up. It works, judge me not. And this is the next day because I was tired. This was the final product. The back. And yes, I do need a haircut for my undercut. I tried to do a cute, updo design for my locks to keep them set, but I'm not there yet, so I ended up with my 2 space puffs, and it works for me. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely keep you updated on my lock journey to see how this goes.